Kinetic Construction is honored to serve as the general contractor for the Burnaby Community Safety Building project, as part of the Community Safety Partners Integrated Project Delivery Team. The Burnaby Community Safety Building encompasses a 3-story structure, with approximately 129,000 square feet. This project represents an exciting and impactful opportunity for our team. Embracing the lean mindset and collaboratively working with our partners and trades, cmBuilder has proven to be an invaluable, user-friendly tool for effective construction and logistics planning and communication. It enables seamless collaboration with visual clarity, ensuring the project team and partners are aligned. To maximize the utility of cmBuilder, we have integrated its use into various tasks, such as space allocation in our collaborations with trades and evaluating security camera coverage. We are committed to exploring its full potential and applying it wherever applicable to enhance our operations. The integration of drone scans from Drone Deploy, along with models and drawings, into cmBuilder provides comprehensive information. This enables us to address complex issues efficiently and effectively while ensuring the accuracy of the presented information. Visualizing vehicular routing and traffic control is another critical function of cmBuilder. By utilizing the program's resources and visual programming capabilities, we can accurately assess truck turn radius and strategically plan traffic control around the site. At Kinetic, we effectively utilize the markers provided by cmBuilder's resources, using color codes to identify statuses for site and model issues. Using cmBuilder, we can generate precise measurements as needed, enabling the creation of accurate proposals and drawings. These documents are then distributed to our trades and partners for implementation. Because cmBuilder provides an accurate representation of our site, we can easily test scenarios such as crane placement. Additionally, we can create comprehensive site safety plans by incorporating scans from Drone Deploy. By integrating the expertise of our trades and partners with the capabilities of cmBuilder, we can efficiently determine clearances and identify potential solutions or hazards, visualizing the model from above ground to evaluating underground structural clearances. Due to our site's proximity to a highway being a constraint, cmBuilder simplifies determining crane locations with the hook envelope feature. Other tasks include model-based quantity takeoff, site option comparisons to determine the most efficient methods before proceeding on site, ensuring options are evaluated and decisions are made ahead of schedule, and model comparisons to ensure all changes are tracked. Visualizing the entire site allows us to strategically plan ahead, identify necessary tasks, and create a realistic schedule for the team. After discussions, updates and adjustments are easily made, enabling us to optimize the site for workers and equipment, ensuring efficiency and minimizing the need for relocations. Overall, cmBuilder has become integral to our workflow, enhancing visual clarity and problem solving. As a company dedicated to relationships, passion, and continuous improvement, cmBuilder has proven to be an excellent collaborative tool. Our site features many printed exports of cmBuilder models in meeting rooms and safety board, used in every meeting for interaction. This program has helped resolve a wide range of potential issues before they become real problems on site. At Kinetic, we look forward to further improving and learning more about the program as it evolves.